Hi, I'm Tara Maxwell, and I really want to recommend Brett Gregory's Attract Customers Now program. It's really made a difference in my business. I went from 550 likes to over actually now 14,000 likes. But more importantly, he's really taught me these ninja marketing tactics in Facebook, how to get more leads, how to drive traffic to my website, how to create that social proof from my blog. So what was to me would have been really overwhelming just to have that his expertise and show me really what I need to do to create results in my business.
Yep.
Okay. I'd recommend Attract Customers Now from Facebook to actually any entrepreneur, but for me, I'm an intuitive and coach. I'd recommend it to Pilates instructors. If you have a business that you really want to leverage social media and get business on Facebook, I'd recommend it for you.